you have to know how to identify the type of formal essay that you're giving. For instance, now, the one I have on the board right now is an opinion essay. Why is it an opinion essay? It is an opinion essay because you are asked this question: do you agree or disagree? When you come across questions like this in IELTS Text 2, where you are asked if you agree or disagree, it means that you have been given an opinion essay. What I want to particularly speak on today is your introduction. Okay, so for a question like this, I'm going to show you how to write your introduction. In IELTS Text 2, writing Text 2, in IELTS writing Text 2, your introduction must be divided into two parts, and those two parts are called your background statement, and your thesis statement. So what is the background statement in IELTS writing Text 2? Your background statement is just the paraphrase of your information. That is the information you have been given in your essay. Now, for example, now for this one, the information we are given is everybody should stay at school until the age of 18. This is our information. And when you are about to answer your introduction, you will first start by writing your background statement, which is the paraphrase of this information that you're given. Now look at what a student have done here. To paraphrase this information, she said students should not be allowed to leave college until they are 18. Now that is the background statement. She has paraphrased this information and she has turned it into this statement to make a background statement. Now, how do you get your background statement? Just like I said, number one, you paraphrase. And when you're paraphrasing, it means that you are rewriting a word in another way, but you are retaining the same meaning. Everybody, as students, and should stay at school. She turned it to should not be allowed to leave college. School becomes college. Should stay, which turned to should not be allowed to leave. You can see how the word structure and the structure of the sentence changed to some extent. So in IELTS, your knowledge of paraphrasing has to come into action so that then you know that you know what you are doing. So to learn more about IELTS writing, speaking, reading, or listening, just contact me via the number that you are seeing on my screen, especially our online classes. So in the next class, I'm going to tell you about how to write thesis statement.